Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can import and export scenes in OBS Studio. So let's get started. If you want to back up your OBS scenes or move them to another computer, OBS makes it easy to export and import scene collections. To export your scenes, open OBS Studio and click Scene Collection from the menu at the top of the window. If needed, select Rename and give your scene collection a name so it's easier to identify later. Once your scene collection is ready, open the Scene Collection menu again and select Export. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. OBS will save the scene collection as a JSON file, which contains your scenes and scene settings. To import scenes into OBS, open the Scene Collection menu and select Import. Select the file and complete the import process. After importing, open the Scene Collection menu once again, and near the bottom of the menu, you'll see the newly imported scene collection listed. Click on the imported scene collection to switch to it. Your scenes should now appear in OBS and be ready to use. If some sources are missing, make sure the files used by those sources are available on your computer and located in the correct folders. Using scene collections is a great way to create backups, transfer OBS setups between devices, or share scene layouts with other creators. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.